Welcome to our van life with our three dogs, episode 106. We left our hearts in Tofino, British Columbia, but it's time to take the ferry back to Vancouver and return to California. We say goodbye to a family member and their lives are forever changed.
Final morning in Tofino, and the tide is out, and it is blue sky. Nice little treat. No rain. And hey, what you doing, honey? We are getting packed up. Pia is washing up, and the doggies are ready to get back in the van as we head back to Nanaimo and the east side of the island for our ferry. This was a very cozy cabin stay. We loved the fireplace. We got some nice use out of the hot tub, and the puppies really loved it as well. Come on, honey. Happy Thursday, everybody. It is our last day in Tofino. We are making our way back to Nanaimo to grab the ferry this afternoon, and decided to make a couple pit stops along the way. This was a really beautiful looking beach. The sun is out, it's not raining, and it's called Incinerator Rock. I'll take a quick video of the sign so you guys can see it, but there's a big old island. The tide is out right now, and it is just gorgeous. Take a look at the scenery. You can pay for a 4-hour beach walk parking, and it's this is just south of Tofino, between Tofino and Usilit. So definitely a great spot to stop. Plenty of parking. Nobody surfing. So yep, it's called Long Beach Incinerator. And dogs, like most of the spots, are good to go, but on leash. So we are beginning our ascent into the mountain pass over Vancouver Island, and this is the viewpoint area of Kennedy Lake, which is gorgeous and for the most part pretty uninhabited. There is Honey. I'm gonna get you some shots because it's pretty unique. With the thaw happening, we have snow that we're about to hit, and the lake itself is just picturesque. Look at this spot.
This spot is beautiful and one of a kind.
Super crisp and pristine. And we're about to head into the mountains, so hopefully we'll still have some snow to show you guys. Talk to you in a little bit.
See you soon. We're stopped at Sprout Lake, which is just coming out of Tofino. Our arrival time at the BC ferries is almost at 3 o'clock in Nanaimo, and we have a 2-hour ferry ride back to Vancouver. So we should be heading to Vancouver around close to 8 o'clock at night, and we'll go to my brother's and then head on to sleep afterwards. So we'll probably try to get dinner on the ferry and then head on to my parents early morning. So tomorrow is Friday, and then afterwards we'll spend the whole day with my parents, and then we will be back to start driving back to California on Saturday. So plenty more trip to go.
Heading back to check on the dogs. We are coming to port, back to Sawasan. Hi, Papa. There they are. There they are. There they are. Okay. Okay.
That ferry is on the move. And then meanwhile, everyone's exiting. And we will be next soon. Headed back to Vancouver. We had a great time in Tofino. How about you?
Yes.
Chihuahuas were very, very cold. So we'll get everyone situated and then be on our way. We are at the US border about to get, what do you call this?
We are getting checked for re-entry.
Back to the US, and the Blaine, Washington, US border.
Good morning, everybody. It's the last day of our trip. We're making our way back from Canada. We drove 13 hours yesterday from Vancouver area, BC, down to the Rolling Hills RV Park, Casino and Resort in Corning, California, which is just south of Lake Shasta Lake. And it's a beautiful day. Yesterday it was like almost 80 degrees, so we went from super cold weather to super nice. So these spots at this RV park are around 50 bucks a night. They also are a harvest host, so take a look at that. There's lots of nice peaceful views, super quiet. We're right off of I-5, literally like 2 minutes off of I-5, and really cool area for overnight stays, especially if you wanted to check out an event at the casino or do a little gambling. We really enjoy this spot. This is our second time staying here. Full hookups, fill up our water. We did shower in the van last night and emptied the gray tank, so we're ready to head out. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.